So what is the one thing that you cannot replace, you can never get back once it's gone? You know, you can lose your house, your car, all your money, your business. You can lose all of those things and you can replace them. You can even lose your reputation and build it back up again. Even that is replaceable. Some people would say reputation is not replaceable, but you can always build that back up. If you make a mistake, you can always build it back up, turn it around and do the right things. But there is one thing that you can never get back, you can never replace, and you can't buy it, and that's time. I want you to think of time in terms of an investment. Every single minute, you know, depending on how old you are, I'm 52, so if I live to be 82, that's only 30 more years. When you break that down into months, that's 360 months. See how I did that math real quick? And then if you break that down into weeks, what is that, 1,200 something weeks? You break that down into days and then hours. When you start looking at it from that perspective, you really start to understand how valuable each minute is, and that you really want to think about, what do you do with each of those minutes? You want to make sure you're investing them to get the highest ROI possible, not just on money, but on every aspect of your life, your health, your spiritual well-being, your finances, your business, everything. Think about your time, every single minute of every day, as an investable minute that you are never going to get back. Unlike money, you invest money, you're going to get an ROI on that. When you invest time, that time that you've spent, that you've invested, is gone. So make sure that all the time you spend will get you the highest and best return on that time in the most efficient way possible. So when it comes to business and investing, I'm always looking for ways to make the most amount of money with the least amount of time, energy, and effort possible, so that I can spend the rest of my time on the things that matter and the things that I'm doing everything for, which is a lifestyle of choice, right? Everybody wants to build a business, invest, generate cash flow that's passive, so you can live life on your terms, make an impact in the world on your terms, and do what you want to do, wherever you want to do it, when you want to do it. So think about that, investable minutes. Every single minute of every day makes up an hour, which makes up days, weeks, months, years, and it goes by quick. I tell you, it goes by really fast, and the older you get, the faster it goes, especially when you have kids. Watching them grow up, it really goes fast. So think about what you're doing with your time, invest it wisely.